school got canceled today because of the rain, when it's not even raining right now, but that's okay. It's a free day off of school. But Ryan's gonna come over for a little bit, and I'm gonna make my breakfast now. So this is just gonna be my Friday without school because of the rain. So Ryan just left like 5 minutes ago, but we're gonna taste test this Dubai chocolate croissant from Lilia Bakery, and it looks like this. Okay, should we cut it? Cut it like that. It's kind of hard. Okay, here. Okay. What do you think?
I think it would taste better if it was fresh, but it's good.
Yeah. I rate it like a 6.
Really?
What about you?
Like an 8.
Oh. Yeah, not bad. But like, it's literally just a top that has Dubai. Okay. See you later. Okay. The weather has been really like just muggy, so I've been feeling really unproductive, but I cleaned the house a little bit and I'm just gonna do some work now because I need to lock it. We tried a new matcha place, Polai by Pono Potions, and my mom got the Hapa Honey sub matcha. Okay, what do you rate it?
But don't you have to tell them all the other matchas we had?
Oh yeah, we also tried Ohana Hui, Maru Seicha, what else? Oh, Yame matcha. Cows.
We had a lot.
Yeah.
A lot.
Yeah. So what do you rate this?
This is like the matcha is weaker. The flavor is more unique than all the other bananas and ubes. So this is more of a unique flavor. I've also had I also do, what is that coffee shop by TJ Maxx?
Oh.
Ali'i coffee with their ube matcha. But anyways, I think I rate this 7.9 or 8, 7.9659.
Okay. I got the
wait, I'm not done.
Okay.
So would I drive to downtown to get it? I'm not sure. I drive for drinks when it's a 9 or higher. Yeah. Maybe 8.5. But this was convenient because you just jumped out of the car.
Yeah. Okay.
7.96589.
Okay. I got the what is it? Kalihi cacao sub matcha.
I didn't like that one.
Oh, okay. It's like chocolate.
Because I don't like chocolate things.
And I like chocolate things. But I rate it like a 7.5.
96859.
Oh, okay, yeah. 7.96859 or whatever.
It's on the verge of being really good. This one is really good.
It's not bad, but it's like, I don't think I would choose to necessarily come here again.
How much was it? $7
Yeah.
a drink. I'm a very strong. This flavor is really interesting though. I wish I tried the coconut one too. I will go back though to try the coconut one.
Yeah.
We try every matcha place at least twice.
Yep.
Bye!
Bye. Okay, so I'm currently doing my skincare, but that was basically my Friday without school. The interview ended up going really well, and yeah, I feel like I spent today really productively, but that was it. And yeah, bye.